action! This is Kim in the middle, Nicole over to your right, and Christina over to your left looking stupid. They are going to play Chubby Bunny. The idea of the game is to put a marshmallow in your mouth, say Chubby Bunny, and keep going until you can't say Chubby Bunny anymore. So let's get some marshmallows dealt out already, people.
Bitch too. So, round one. Chubby Bunny!
Nicole, are you having issues?
No, Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Round two.
Oh.
I'm gonna zoom in.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Round three.
How many do you have, Christina?
Chubby Bunny.
How many do you guys have?
Four.
I think Christina's almost done. Come on, Kim. Don't eat them. You can't do that. You can't eat them. I gotta zoom in on that. That is what you call attractive. That is great. How many do you have, Nicole? Okay. Christina's having issues over there. Oh my God, Kim. Let me see. How many?
I gave up.
How many do you have, Kim? Christina, what did you do? I think you're done. Christina, what are you guys doing?
Hello!
Stay out of sleep. And Bill has to get up early.
Sorry.
Gosh, what are you thinking?
Sorry.
Well, you get up at 6 with everybody and you deal with them.
Seven? Good God, Kim. You can't eat them. Oh, you're like condensing them? That's a smart strategy. Kimmy, it looks like somebody like poured foam in your mouth. Oh, you have rabies? Where'd everybody else go? After this, we really need to be quiet. My mom's kind of mad. 8 for Kimmy, and everybody else is in the bathroom spitting out their marshmallows in my toilet. What? Well, go spit it out. You did win, like 4 marshmallows ago. Go spit it out, Kim. I'm gonna follow you guys into the bathroom. Okay. Never mind. Alright, then that ends our game of... Oh, we're not done, apparently.
Don't spit them in toilet. It wouldn't flush.
You guys, I said don't spit them in there. That's what garbage can's for.
Bye-bye.
Alright, that ends